out. I'm going to make you smell a rose whether you want to or not.
Yes. Oh my gosh. This is so fragrant.
It's actually so inspiring just to be here. You get so many ideas of things that you could do in your own home and garden, you know, and just it's so beautiful and so peaceful and relaxing.
I work at the gift shop. I'm a gift shop manager. I do all the purchasing and merchandising of the gift shop as well. I love it. I love my job. It's such a great place to be because everyone here is just so happy. We've had people come from all over, as far away as Oregon, even Canada.
Just seeing all the historical paintings and the art, all of his books, I kind of saw myself in things that he had on the wall.
First time visitors. Oh my gosh, where have you been my whole life?
The trees are changing, so I got to see a different part of the gardens and the grounds in a different season. So I recommend making multiple trips here because you want to see it at different times, and it's beautiful.
And one of Alan's passions and his goals ever since starting creating Moss Mountain Farm and building on Moss Mountain Farm was to get to zero energy housing.
We're retired and we're traveling in our Airstream, and we wanted to include this in our journey, and we're so glad we did. It was really worth the trip.
All the way from Connecticut.
All the way from Connecticut.
I'm always inspired by people coming to the farm. They animate the place, they give it purpose. They come from all over the country, which is always a surprise to me. And they're here to experience the gardens, just the natural beauty of the place. Some of our heritage livestock, have a meal together. Like I always say, I love for them to come with 2 friends and leave with 4.